Welcome to our guide on how to easily share Google Meet links on WhatsApp from your laptop in 2025. Let's dive into the process. First, let's create a Google Meet link. Head over to meet.google.com and click on New Meeting. Once your meeting is set, simply click on Copy Link to grab that important link. Next, let's navigate to WhatsApp web by visiting web.whatsapp.com and scanning the QR code. Now, go into your desired chat, click on the message box, and paste your link. Easy, right? Remember to include a short message with the link, and ensure you're sharing it in the right context. If you run into problems, make sure the link is copied properly and that your recipients have access to Google Meet. Let's see it in action. Watch as I share the link in a live demo. To recap, we've covered creating, copying, and sharing a Google Meet link on WhatsApp. You're all set. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on tech tools.